My question is on time management. To me, Your Holiness is the busiest person I know, yet you still manage your time so wisely. Please, can you tell us how well you are able to manage your time? And can you also advise us how we can manage our time as students as well? Jazakallah khairan.
You are a student. Try to get up early morning. If it is very essential and you are bound to sleep late in the night, otherwise you should try to go to the bed as early as possible. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Right? Right?
Yes, sir.
You know that. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So then you also seek Allah's help, that Allah Ta'ala help you in regulating your life, in organizing yourself. Right? After prayers, then you should take 6 hours sleep. As a student, you should take at least 6 hours sleep. And after that, you keep yourself busy in your studies and other activities. What you have done during the day, you don't know. So, right from the beginning of your day, when you start your day, you write down what you have done. Now, if you wake up at 6 o'clock, I don't know whether 6 o'clock is the prayer time anyway, for Fajr time, then write down, I woke up at this time, then offered my prayer and did some tilawat, read some verses of the Holy Quran or part of the Holy Quran, and then did this work, took my breakfast, got myself ready for university. I went to the university. It took 1 hour to reach to the university. If you are living in a hostel, then this is a different thing, right? Then I studied in the university from this time to this time, came back home and revised my lessons, offered my prayer, did this thing, everything which you have done during the day, you must write down. So in this way you would know that this is my daily plan. I spent so many hours in doing good work or productive work, and this time I just wasted my time in seeing films or on social media or in this and that. So in this way you would know that what are the good things you have done, what are the things which were not necessary for your daily routine you have done, and how can you manage it. So for 1 week you must write down your program, plan from morning to evening. You would find out that what are the things, productive things, and what are the non-productive things. So this way you would know, and you will try to manage your time accordingly later on.